It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 14th of March. I'm James Spann. Had some showers around this morning, but no severe weather. Tomorrow, perhaps the warmest day so far this year. And some rain before the week is over, and maybe some cold air in about a week. Hey, let's go in there and dive in and talk about it. Here we go. That's the big picture this morning. An upper trough will be passing just north of the state this morning. That produced a pretty good round of severe weather through parts of Arkansas in some of the adjacent states late yesterday and last night. However, as expected, storms are weakening as they approach Alabama. That was the radar at 4:54 this morning. Still some strong storms around Houston, Mississippi, but again, the air across Alabama is stable and relatively dry. Just a few scattered showers this morning, mainly over the Tennessee Valley. The chance of rain for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden today, very small. Starting off the day in the 50s and low 60s, Birmingham at 62. We'll expect 70s today. And hey, tomorrow should be one of the warmest days so far this year with low 80s likely, maybe mid 80s in spots. Around the nation, the cold air pretty much scoured out. It's very cold over the eastern part of Canada, but not down here. But again, in about a week, looks like an upper trough becomes established that could pull down some pretty brisk air, maybe 30s in here a week from today, as you'll see. On the watch warning map, some fog issues from Oklahoma City up to the Canadian border. Still some flash flood warnings around the Mississippi Delta and red flag warnings out at parts of New Mexico, Texas, and Colorado for wildfire danger. With the upper trough coming through North Carolina, they could see a few severe storms today. The slight risk of severe weather there with the marginal risk around that, but no problems here. And then tomorrow, a deep surface low begins to drop out of the upper Midwest. That could produce some severe weather for cities like Chicago and Indianapolis. There's a marginal risk into extreme North Alabama, but again, I don't even think it rains tomorrow or tomorrow evening. But again, we'll take a look at that. Day 3, Wednesday, maybe some thunder for the southern half of the state, but no severe weather expected. Bottom line is we don't expect any severe weather problems really for the next 7 days. Check it out, model fans. All right, we're on daylight saving time now, so we'll have to do kind of a hybrid between the O6Z and the OZ. We get the model data back an hour later. But there's your little shortwave passing north of the state today. And again, you can see a lot of green there, but it's not going to rain that much. In fact, let's look at the high-resolution HER model. And you can see widely scattered showers. Looks like the radar has the measles, perhaps today. At midday. This is at noon, or I'm sorry, 1 o'clock. It's going to take me time to adjust to the new time here. 1 o'clock today, local time. So we'll mention widely scattered showers, and that's about it. Otherwise, a mixture of clouds and sunshine with mid-70s today. Tomorrow, how about low to mid-80s? Both the NAM and the GFS are at 83. For some, this will be the warmest day so far this year. We note that deep surface low over Minnesota. We'll keep an eye on the trailing front. At midday, it's inactive. And again, maybe tomorrow evening, that might pick up a few showers over the Tennessee Valley, maybe some thunder, but the air's going to be pretty dry, and we don't expect any problems. Wednesday, the day should be sunny, a little cooler. Highs go back in the 70s. Now, this is Thursday morning. All of a sudden, a big batch of rain comes in with the next wave, so it looks like Thursday could be relatively wet. And then by 12 noon, the rain begins to wind down. So Thursday, perhaps the best chance of rain coming during the morning hours. The high will be around 70. And this is Friday. For the northern half of the state, the sky should be mostly sunny with low 70s. What about the weekend, you ask? All right, this is Saturday at midday. Another wave comes in. Clouds increase. Looks like we might start the day dry, but this is Saturday evening at 6 o'clock, and we got a surface low on top of us that looks very wet. And the weather should be noticeably cooler. We could stay in the 50s all day Saturday. That's no severe weather, just a cool rain. And then Sunday, a very deep surface low, almost a nor'easter type thing, is over on the New Jersey, or actually over New Jersey. And for us, Sunday should be a dry and cool day with a high only in the 50s with a good north breeze. If this verifies, and this is Monday, the trough rotates out and we're dry. The GFS not looking all that cool, but look at the anomalies coming off the European. It has temperatures Again, 10 to 15 degrees below average, and the actual numbers get us down close to the freezing mark. And again, this is a week from today, Monday, March 21st. So, every year I say the same thing. Don't plant anything that would be harmed by a freeze until April 15th. That's good advice every year. We always have these late season cold snaps in late March and April, and that's probably not going to be the last one. We'll check the end of the forecast period. Wednesday, the 23rd of March, the flow is zonal. Looks like a batch of showers exiting the state at that point. March 21st through the 27th, over the course of those days, temperatures should be near average here. And the numbers, you can see that spike tomorrow with low 80s. And on the GEFS ensemble, it's got 41 Monday morning. But again, I wouldn't be shocked if temperatures were well down in the 30s at that point. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.